Welcome to Häfele's hotel room experience at HIX 2025. Elizabeth's here to show us around the stand.
So first you'll be checked in where you'll get your card that can access around the stand. We come to the actual door terminal, which can obviously be used in your hotel room. They can be accessed by a card and also by a digital wallet.
What do we have here then?
So the next thing is to use your key card that activates also your lighting, pendant lighting in the hotel room. We've got here some 𝗙𝗲𝗿 pendant lightings, 3 designs, fully stocked at Häfele UK. And as you can see, as that finishing touches to your hotel room.
They do really lift the space. Now this is one of my favourite parts of the whole stand. I really think it highlights what we can do with the lighting.
So this is our Häfele lighting plug and play system, which can be controlled by a remote, can be controlled on your mobile as well by the Häfele Mesh app. We can transition into different whites, also into colours as well. Again, adding those finishing touches to your hotel room.
And is this an acoustic door solution?
So this is our acoustic offering. So as we know that hotels, the biggest problem is noise. So what we're doing here is we're actually having an acoustic setup which can be used going into a bathroom, but also for interconnecting doors as well throughout the hotel.
And this pod here has been quite a magnet on the stand, I've noticed.
So this is our Häfele offer of decorative and door hardware, our accessories, hinges for locks, again all Häfele manufactured and in all the trend finishes.
Finishing on the Dialog Cloud, so this is the future of hotel integration.
So this will launch for the first quarter next year, but yes, it's our completely online system which will have all of the key features that you need for your hotel requirement.
And if you are here today, come and find us on stand U21.